Assalamualaikum students of class 6. I hope you are all doing well and keeping your spirits high in this COVID-19 situation. Let's start our lecture with Grammar Today, Book 6. Let's talk about subject verb agreement. Every sentence has a subject and a verb which must be in agreement. We know that हर सेंटेंस में एक सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब होता है. These are the main parts of the sentence. और इन पार्ट्स को यानी सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब को एक दूसरे के अकॉर्डिंग होना चाहिए. Singular verbs agree with singular subjects, while plural verbs agree with plural subjects. For example, my mother works at a clinic. Here, mother is a singular subject and works is a singular verb. We see that they both agree to each other. Let's have another example. They work together at the workshop. They, a plural subject. Work, a plural verb. So this subject-verb agreement shows that this is a complete and correct sentence. But there are some other conditions like the singular pronouns I and you. They do not make use of singular verb forms. I and you. ये singular pronouns हैं, singular subject के तौर पर इस्तेमाल होते हैं, लेकिन इनके साथ singular verb का इस्तेमाल नहीं होता. For example, I sing. यहाँ I singular pronoun है और singular verb का इस्तेमाल होना चाहिए इसके साथ, लेकिन हम plural verb का इस्तेमाल करते हैं with no use of s or es. Then here we have you sing. You, again a singular pronoun, but we are using a plural verb with this subject. A plural verb with this subject. Two or more subjects joined by and would take a plural verb. दो या दो से ज़्यादा सब्जेक्ट्स जिनको and का इस्तेमाल करते हुए ज्वाइन किया जाए वो प्लूरल वर्ब लेंगे अपने साथ या उनके साथ हम प्लूरल वर्ब का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल यू एंड आई. इन सिंगुलर प्रोनाउंस को एंड के साथ मिला दिया गया है तो यहाँ हम प्लूरल वर्ब आर का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. यू एंड आई आर स्टूडेंट्स. The verb had is used with singular as well as plural subjects. Verb had singular और plural दोनों तरह के subjects के साथ यूज़ किया जा सकता है. For example, Nikki had a fall. They had a problem. Here the subject is singular लेकिन इसके साथ had का इस्तेमाल किया गया है. यहाँ subject plural है they. अगेन हमने यहाँ had का इस्तेमाल कर लिया है because it is appropriate. Let's see what's there in our exercise related to subject-verb agreement. Here, first question is, underline the subjects in these sentences. Rewrite each sentence so that the subject agrees with the verb. इन sentences में subject को underline करना है और subject के according वर्ब का इस्तेमाल करते हुए सेंटेंसेस को दोबारा लिखना है. लाइक राजा एंड अकबर पेंट्स ब्यूटिफुली. वी हैव जस्ट लर्न दैट एंड का इस्तेमाल करते हुए जिन सब्जेक्ट्स को आपस में ज्वाइन किया जाए उनके साथ हम प्लूरल वर्ब का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. वी विल नॉट यूज़ एस ओवर हियर. राजा एंड अकबर पेंट ब्यूटिफुली. द प्रिंसिपल आर इन द ऑफिस. द प्रिंसिपल is in the office. Mars and Venus revolves around the sun. Mars and Venus subject revolve around the sun. 2 million rupees are a lot of money. 2 million rupees is a lot of money. Mummy and Daddy has gone for a movie. Mummy and Daddy have gone for a movie. Mr. Shakil and his friends plays golf every Sunday. Mr. Shakir, and his friends play golf every Sunday. Play. Jack and Jill has climbed the hill. Jack and Jill have climbed the hill. Next question is, or the next exercise we need to fill is, fill in the blanks with suitable verbs from the brackets. Here we have these blanks which we need to fill with the words given in these brackets. Again, we will use the verbs according to the subject or the verbs that agrees with the subject. The train dash late yesterday. The train was late yesterday. We use was with the singular subject and were with the plural. And here we have the train as it is a singular subject, so we will use was. Then this is your whole exercise. I have solved this. You can see that all the verbs are used according to their subject. Let's discuss some of these. Peter has just finished his homework. Rome was not built in a day. All my friends were invited to the party. I am very happy. Why are you late for school today? Are you going to the market today? Am I in the way? The tree has fallen across the road is a tall one. Rest of the blanks are solved just like these. Singular verbs are used with the singular subjects. Next exercise or next question is like the previous one. Fill in the blanks with the correct verbs from the brackets. It is just like the one we have done. This pair of scissors is rusty. Either of the books is good enough for me. Mumps is an infectious disease. Everyone likes to watch comedy films. Each boy chooses the role he wants to perform. Since the exams started, nobody goes to the park anymore. So that was all about subject-verb agreement and their related exercises. That was all for today. Thank you so much, students, and Allah Hafiz.